Hello and welcome everyone to the Gold and Silver Club Week Ahead Commodity Report, the non-members edition for the 19th to the 23rd of March 2018. Today we will be analysing the latest developments in the commodity markets and discussing our outlook for the week ahead. The live session will be covering weekly market outlook, the key events to watch this week, a trade watch list with our trade idea of the week, and a review of our recent top trades using our exclusive research-driven strategies. Let me introduce you to the Gold and Silver Club. The Gold and Silver Club is regarded as the go-to authority on commodities trading. As internationally respected experts, our analysis and our opinions on the metals, energy, agriculture and the cryptocurrency markets, they are routinely sought by major financial television channels and publications, which include Bloomberg, Reuters, CNBC, the Financial Times, the Wall Street Journal. Our team of experts has trained and mentored over 100,000 private traders from all over the world to increase their wealth and generate a substantial income through commodities using our exclusive research-driven strategies. For further information on the Gold and Silver Club and our expertise, please do visit www.thegoldensilverclub.com. Weekly Market Outlook, the key events to watch this week. The key events to watch this week include the US Federal Reserve, Bank of England and G20 meetings. The Federal Reserve is expected to raise rates by a quarter point at the conclusion of its two-day policy meeting on Wednesday. The bank's rate statement will be very closely watched for an indication as to the pace of monetary policy tightening for the remainder of the year. In December, the Fed forecast 3 rate hikes for 2018. However, an upbeat assessment of the economy by Powell last month fueled speculation that a 4th rate hike could also be on the cards. The Bank of England will announce its rate decision on Thursday, and Governor Mark Carney will hold a press conference after the announcement. Whilst no change is expected, the Bank of England could flag the possibility of a May rate hike if Monday's inflation report and Tuesday's jobs report indicate that the economy is on a solid footing. Brexit will also be in focus as a 2-day European Council summit begins on Thursday, with negotiations to reach agreement on the transition period for the UK to leave the EU. Finance ministers and central bank governors from the world's 20 largest economies are set to meet up in Buenos Aires on Monday, with the state of the global economy and risk to growth at the top of the agenda. The subject of multilateral trade is likely to be a major topic of discussion after recent changes to US trade policy, creating a growing sense of uncertainty and sparking fears over a trade war. The regulation of cryptocurrencies is also likely to be in focus. Trade watch list, our trade idea of the week. This week, our trade ideas are going to be focused on the metals. And first of all, we will have a look at a trade opportunity which is setting up at the moment on palladium. So right now, palladium is trading at $990 US, and we are right back at a major support zone here after retest of $900 just last week, which is again held up here. We retested that zone at the beginning of February and also in mid-October. This has been a very important level for palladium to hold. We've also seen over the last week a retest of some of the key moving averages here, which include the 200-day moving average, which essentially is holding the price up over the last few days here. And we also have the potential for a V-shaped reversal pattern breakout, with the neckline currently sitting at $990. So I am anticipating a potential breakout trade here, taking the price back towards the recent swing highs here, which would be a revisit essentially back towards $1,050 here for palladium. So if we can break above the weekly highs, essentially close back above $1,000, we could then be on track for a revisit back towards the mid-February highs here, which would essentially see a revisit back towards the recent resistance zones. Now, we also traded a very similar breakout here as well, going back towards mid-February here, where we had a retest of this accumulation zone, found support at the 200-day moving average and the lower Bollinger Bands, and this resulted in over a 500-point gain for us at the Gold and Silver Club. So I would certainly keep an eye on this price structure here with palladium. It's not quite there yet. It needs to do a little bit more work in order to break above the weekly highs here and also clear above the $1,000 level. But if we can clear above those highs, I would suggest palladium could be on track for a revisit back towards those recent resistance zones and certainly provides a good risk to reward from the current levels. Now, moving over to gold, on Wednesday we have a very important announcement. That is, of course, the FOMC statement, where the Federal Reserve are anticipated to increase interest rates. So it's not a surprise at all to see the current pullback here on gold, which is very common prior to Federal Reserve interest rate hikes. So we are seeing the US dollar get a bid at the moment. That is putting pressure on gold and also silver. Gold is also coming back down to a major supportive zone here. So we're getting a retest back towards 1,310 US dollars. And below that, I would also look at a possible revisit back towards 1,300 US dollars as well. Now, I would not be looking to take a position here going into the FOMC statement, but we are definitely looking to trade that actual announcement on Wednesday, especially given where gold is at the current levels, because we are back at a major support zone. It is a bit of a make or break zone for gold as well. Whilst we hold above 1,300 US dollars per ounce, I do perceive this as a buy zone, but the key is gold needs to hold above that zone, particularly after Wednesday's FOMC statement. If we were to see a break and a close back below that level, we would very likely then revisit support around $1,295, and if we were to break below that zone, we could even go as low here as $1,285 before we really start finding support. On the flip side of that, of course, if we hold at this accumulation zone and gold starts to get a bid and holds above $1,300, we could certainly see a revisit back towards last week's highs here, which reside at $330, and a possible move back towards $1,340 and then $1,350 above that. With that said, I would watch gold very closely on Wednesday on the FOMC statement and the potential trade opportunities which result. Now, we will of course be trading this at the Gold and Silver Club on Wednesday after the FOMC statement. If you would like to find out more, especially about the trading programs that we provide at the Gold and Silver Club, do stay on to the end of today's session and we'll provide you with details of how you can make an application to become a client of the Gold and Silver Club. Top trades of the week using our exclusive research-driven strategies. Our top trades over the last week have included gold, oil, copper, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and also Ripple. So first of all, gold, we've taken advantage of the recent breakdown in price and dollar strength at the end of last week, banking 125 points profit on our sell short. On Thursday last week, we executed a long position on US oil after the International Energy Agency said that global demand is expected to pick up this year. That gave us additional confirmation to get into our long position on oil, and we banked 100 points profit on this swing trade. Copper, very much like gold, also was under pressure last week after the US dollar breakout, and we banked 50 points profit on Friday for our day trade. Over the weekend, we've also seen additional weakness here on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the majority of the major cryptocurrencies. We took advantage of a major break of support here on Bitcoin, banking 1,000 points profit on the sell short side. We also sold into Ethereum after a break back down through major support at $600 for 110 points profit. And finally, Ripple came right back to our buy zone at the weekend, capitulated from that level and banked us 130 points profit on our long position. Would you like to join an elite community of profitable traders? Get exclusive daily live trade ideas and analysis, accelerate your trading skills, and generate a consistent income. Whether you're a new trader or an experienced trader and you're looking to take your trading to that next level, the Private Members Live Trading Room is definitely for you. Private members get access to the following. You have access to our exclusive live trading room webinars. You can watch the Gold and Silver Club expert traders analyze the markets right in front of you, picking out the best trades, sharing our exact entry, exit, profit and stop loss targets on each position, as well as walk you through every actionable trading idea step by step, ready to implement for instant results. You receive real-time trade alerts delivered via email and SMS, where you get the exact buy and sell alerts along with suggested entry, exit, profit targets. All trade alerts are sent out in advance notice to make sure you have plenty of time to get into each trade at the best price for maximum profits. You also get exclusive access to our proprietary trading research to help you make smarter, well-informed trading decisions. Our unique insights and analysis ensures that you're well equipped with the most accurate technical and fundamental information you need to identify market trends early, predict future price movements, and act on every trading decision with confidence. The Private Members Live Trading Room includes exclusive live trading room webinars with interactive Q&A, Daily, live, actionable trade ideas shared with you, ready to implement. Real-time trade alerts delivered instantly via email and SMS. Exact details of where we enter, where we exit, and place a stop loss on each trade. Access to our private members' live trading room forum. Ongoing support and mentoring to help you achieve long-term success. And exclusive access to our proprietary trading research and market intelligence to give you the ultimate edge in the markets. To get exclusive access to our private members live trading room, please go to www.jointhegoldensilverclub.com, complete the application form, and we will get in touch with you ASAP.